welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. So welcome back. And this here is a new video for you, and it's called the Rainbow Haul. Yes, try on haul. The Rainbow try on haul, the clothing, the fashion, my very first fashion video for the very first time. It may not be perfect, but I did a fashion haul. And yeah, I did a fashion haul. But here's all my stuff right here in these bags. And I shopped there a couple weeks back, and I got the stuff a couple weeks back, and I just been hung up to it and stuff like that. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post or any videos I upload. So do that, and follow all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And yeah, I'll make sure you subscribe because I'm cute, I'm funny, I like to talk, I get the honest reviews, and I do videos, beauty videos and stuff like that. But go and subscribe into my vlog channel because I do vlogs. So make sure you check it out because I did one lately, the latest video. So make sure you do that. And without further ado, let's roll into the video. This first outfit I got on is a camouflage outfit. It's a two-piece set, and also it was $16.97 for the whole set. It was a two-piece set, so I really love this outfit. It has a crop top, as you can see. My little belly is showing, stuff like that, but I'm a thick girl, so don't even worry about that. So yeah. This is a shirt that I got from Remo, and I got it for $9.99. If you're on a budget, you can shop at Rainbow and just get everything on for a good price and on the budget. Just be glamorous on the budget. But this shirt was $9.99. A shoe ad and love. This next outfit is I adore so much, especially the shirt, Girls with Attitude, and the shirt costs $9.99, and the bottoms have love on it on the side pocket, and it costs $10.97. So that's why I love Rainbow. It's like so cheap. I love it. This outfit is my favorite. It's so beautiful. I love the green top, which is my favorite color. It's off the shoulder. You can wear it on the shoulders, but I choose off the shoulders. And this top only costs $9.99. The bottom is high-waisted with stripes in it. I love it, and I really like this outfit. And the bottoms cost $16.99, which is not bad, and I just truly love this outfit. This fifth outfit is really cute to me. The top was $8.99, and the bottom is high-waisted, and it costs $14.99. I really love this outfit. I really like white pants because white pants is so cute. So I really adore this outfit. I adore every outfit I have, but I like the shirt design with the chain on the shoulder. So it's really pretty and neat to me. I just adore it. I love it. The next thing I had was this top. This is a really cute top. I love mustard color tops and clothes and stuff like that, so you might as well get used to it. But this top was $6.99 and it's very cheap and I love it. I love Rainbow in other stores, but this is a cute outfit. I love the tail, how it hangs in the back and of course in the front. Don't pay me no mind. I'm just rocking my outfits. And lastly, I have this leather jacket. I got this leather jacket for $24.99. Didn't cost me nothing, but I love this leather jacket. Of course, we have more cold days. It's not spring yet, but we still got cool days from over here. So I wanted this leather jacket and I got it. Yes. So this is the end of my fashion haul. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and let's get me to 215 subscribers as always. And I see y'all in the next video. Deuces.